Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to find affiliate programs in your niche so you can make money online. So guys, if you are a beginner and know nothing how to find affiliate programs in your niche to make money or to promote your affiliate product in your niche, then yes, this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can find your affiliate programs that you can promote in your niche, right? But before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then yes, down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In this ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to build your affiliate marketing business step by step, right? So yes, go and check out my ebook down below, there is a link, right? So guys, now here without any delay, let me show you how to find affiliate programs in your niche. So guys, here I'm assuming that you are into weight loss niche. So guys, here what you can do guys, you need to type your niche name, right? Go to Google and type niche name weight loss, right? So weight loss and then type affiliate programs. So guys, here you will see you can say there are, you can see, yes, you can see that best weight loss affiliate programs, 12 best weight loss affiliate programs, right? So guys, here just click on any link and you will find, you can say you will find the programs that you can go and you can join in your niche. So as in our case it's a weight loss, then yes, you can go and join any of the program guys that you want to. Like, let's assume this one, right? So click on that. Yep, you can see, right? Affiliate sign up link, so you can go and click on that. So this is especially for the niche if your niche is weight loss, all right? So you can go and, yeah, you can say diet direct. So you can go and create your account with this program so that you can start promoting affiliate product in your niche, that is weight loss, right guys? There are other guys, there are other, you can go and check out, like yeah, you can actually these are the bloggers, right? Right, and they have mentioned that what are the, you can say, programs that you can go and join, right, in your niche, right? They have told that what's their commission rate. So yeah, if you want you can join, and this is the link guys, right? Okay, weight loss evolved, right? They are giving 30%, bistro MD, right? So you can go and check out Weight Watchers. So guys, this is, you can say, one of the strategy that you can go and apply guys to find affiliate programs in your niche guys, right? So this is you can say commission junction affiliate publisher. So yes, you need to just go and sign up by filling up your information guys, right? And then when you are approved, then yes, you are ready to promote, you can say your affiliate offer in your niche guys, right? So yes, they are also mentioning that what will be the, you can say, commission. So $45 per sale and 45-day cookie, right? And let's assume guys that your niche is like you are into let's any make money online, right? So make money online affiliate programs. So I'm assuming that you are into make money online affiliate programs, right? So yes guys, same thing guys, that you need to type make money online affiliate programs, so then you will find the links guys, right? So you can see that guys, right? you can like you can check out this one, right? Let's check this one. So yeah, it's a blog post, guys, and in this blog post this blog owner has mentioned, you can say, what are the affiliate programs that you can go and join, guys, right? So you can go and check out ClickBank, JViju, Commission Junction, Amazon affiliates. Yes, if you want to promote any stuff from Amazon as an affiliate of Amazon, then yes, you can go and check out Amazon affiliate program, right? You can go and apply to their program. Or same thing you can do for ClickBank, guys. If you want to promote any, you can say, any product that is related to make money online niche, then yes, you can go and join ClickBank, and there are, you can say products that you can go and promote, guys, in make money online, or you can say e-business, right, category. And yes, you can go and JViju, guys, right? And same thing, guys, here you can go and start promoting. But yes, guys, first you need to apply to their, you can say, affiliate program, guys, right? Yep, you can go and Amazon associates, guys, right? So if you are not, then yes, you need to sign up, guys. Go and click on that sign up and apply to their affiliate programs, guys, right? Same thing for ClickBank. By the way, if you don't know how to apply to ClickBank, then yes, down below I will put the link. You can go and check out how to create your affiliate account with ClickBank, guys, right? And yeah, this is for Commission Junction, guys, right, guys? So guys, this is one of the strategy, guys, that you can go and apply, guys. Whatever your niche, just type your niche name and then type affiliate program, right? Like for example, I'm into relationship affiliate best, yeah, okay, anyone, you can just go best relationship affiliate programs, right? So you can see that, guys, there are sites like, right? So let's go. So if you are into relationship niche, guys, so yes, same thing, guys, same strategy. Dating, yeah, if you are into dating, yes, you can go and check out, right, this one, right? Match, eHarmony, right? Anyone, guys, anyone, you can go and click on that, guys. It's up to you, guys, right? So yep, it's match is okay. This is again, guys, it's a blog post, guys, and where the person who is the owner of this blog, he is just telling you what are the, you can say, sites that you can go and apply to their affiliate program, guys, right, to promote affiliate product in a relationship, or you can say in dating, right? So if your niche is in dating, then yes, you can go, right? And same thing for eHarmony, guys, right? So go and, right, so you just need to apply to their program, guys, right? So he has mentioned that what will be the commission, guys, right? Yep. So guys, now you know how to find affiliate programs, guys, right? And guys, here one thing that I'll tell you that, guys, let's assume that, guys, if you are, you can say, if you want to promote any specific product that you want to promote, and you don't know how to apply for this specific product, like as in my case, I want to promote ClickFunnels. So what I will do, guys, same thing, guys, I will go and type ClickFunnels affiliate program, right? And then same thing, guys, enter, guys, right? So you will see that ClickFunnels affiliate program. And same thing, like I want to promote any get response, guys, this is another product, guys, right? So if you know the name of the product that you want to promote and you don't know the exact link how to apply to their program, then simply, guys, go to Google and type the name of product that you want to promote. Like I want to promote get response, so I will go get response affiliate program and then type. Yeah, you can see that, guys, affiliate program, right? So if I click on that, yeah, right, you need to sign up, guys, right? Sign up here, right? Application like will be very simple, guys. One thing understand, when you are going to apply any affiliate program, please fill up right information, guys, right? Don't use fake information. And same thing, guys, if you want to promote like if I want to promote any other program, right, or any other product like Aweber, right? So this is Aweber affiliate program, right? You can see that, guys, right? So I just need to click on that, and then there will be link, guys, to fill up the application, guys, right? And same thing, guys, get started, guys, right? And same thing like I want to promote any other program like Click Magic, guys, right? So Click Magic, right? So yep, guys, you can see that, guys, Click Magic affiliates, right? So I need to go there, and there will be option, or can say there will be application that I need to fill up, guys, right? So guys, now you know how to find affiliate programs in your niche, guys, right? So simply, guys, you need to just go to Google and type your niche name plus affiliate programs, right? And if you want to promote any specific product, right, then yes, you need to type this product name and then affiliate program. That's it, guys, right? So this is how you you can say find affiliate programs in your niche to promote the affiliate product in your niche, right, as an affiliate marketer, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, guys, right? I hope you like this video. And yes, guys, if you have any questions, then yes, you can ask your questions down below, guys, right? I will try my level best to answer to your questions, right? And yes, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then yes, down below there is a red button, go and subscribe to my channel. And yes, there is also bell notification button, go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing. Right, guys? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.